I recently flew in Delta One business class lay flat on the Airbus A330-300. This first experience in Delta One business class was pretty cool until I took the 900neo Delta One suite on my way back from Amsterdam to Minneapolis. You can see that the equipment is aging and the configuration is a wedge shape with very little space for putting anything down or for stretching out. You get a down alternative pillow and oversized duvet for the flight, and each seat in Delta One has a Tumi kit, which includes toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, a pen, socks, earplugs, a sleeping mask. This Tumi kit had the Le Labo lip balm, but was missing the facial mist for some reason. All of the items are contained in the very nice reusable Tumi case. The in-flight entertainment system and seat controls were adequate. Each seat had noise-canceling headphones, a USB power jack, and an international power outlet. Bottled water was already at the seat, and I was offered a drink to start the flight. The armrest raises up with the touch of a button, but I had considerable trouble getting it pushed back down. You can see how the viewing screen flips out, plus here you can also see the legroom that my 5'4" frame had while seated. The beef dinner that I had selected the day before came on Alessi-designed serviceware and was actually very good. After that, I watched a movie and then settled in for about 5 hours of sleep. I had enough legroom, and while the bed goes flat, I just had trouble getting comfortable on the hard seat. About an hour and a half before landing, I woke up to breakfast service, which was sous vide egg bites, sausage, vegetables, fruit, a croissant, and coffee. The vegetables were forgettable, but everything else was great. My very first Delta One experience was memorable, but the 900neo was way better.